Now that the hood is finally prepared and we've machined it, we've washed it, we clay barred it, the first thing that we need to look at is to just inspect the entire hood. And we notice that there are some water spots here in the center. So I want to show you guys how you can fix that. So now that we're fully inspecting the vehicle, I did discover a couple other items. We have a dent here. We have another dent right here. And I also noticed this third dent. These are items that need to be handled before you begin your PPF installation. The problem is it will stand out just a bit more once the PPF is installed. We can show you how to fix these issues. Just participate in our class. Upcoming classes are listed. Please see Pure Luxury Training Academy and also Onyx Coating in Berlin, Germany to sign up for our classes.